my tasty Sunday breakfast. I love it. Very tasty. Sunday हो या Monday, रोज खाएं अंडे. Good morning, beloved friends. My Sunday special scrambled eggs are ready. You know what? My mommy makes the best scrambled eggs in the world. The golden color and lovely texture makes it yummiest. I love it. And here are my favorite puffy fulka rotis. And very tangy mango and garlic pickle, homemade pickle. You know what? The Lord wants you to cook because it is the best way to live and enjoy His goodness. I love you all. Happy Sunday. I love lovely scrambled eggs. Good source, in fact the best source for protein. संडे हो या मंडे, मैं रोज खाती हूँ अंडे.
Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 12th July 2020 and today's breakfast my mom prepared some tasty scrambled eggs served with fresh onions, carrots and green chilies and coriander, of course my favorite herb. And I also have over here thin rotis served with homemade tasty mango and LASUN, that is garlic. LASUN is called LASUN in Hindi, garlic in English, and it's a pickle, homemade pickle with less spice and it's really tasty. So thumbs up for my today's breakfast and thumbs up to my mom.